Hello viewers, today we are talk about Jane Adamson. Jane Adamson is an English children's author and illustrator, best known for her enduring and beloved Topsy and Time series. Her work has left an indelible mark on children's literature, fostering a love of reading and learning in countless young minds across the globe. Born on 29 February 1928 in London, Adamson's early life was steeped in creativity and a passion for the arts, setting the stage for her future career. Adamson's journey into the world of children's literature began with her education at Goldsmith College, University of London, where she studied illustration and design. This academic background provided her with the technical skill and artistic sensibility that would later define her illustration. At Goldsmith, she met and married Gareth Adamson, her creative partner and co author. The couple's collaborative efforts would become a hallmark of their work, blending Jane's vivid illustration with Gareth's engaging storytelling. The Topsy and Time series, first published in 1960, was a groundbreaking venture that reflected the daily lives and adventures of a brother and sister. The books were innovative for their time, offering a realistic portrayal of children's experience and emotion. The series, amazingly popular among young readers and their parents, each books in the series is designed to address common childhood experience from starting school to visiting the dentist, making theme educational as well as entertaining. Adamson's ability to capture the newness of childhood through her illustration was a significant factor in the success of the Topsy and Time books. Her drawings are characterized by their simplicity, clarity, and expressiveness, effectively conveying the emotion and action of the characters. This visual style not only appeals to children but also supported early literacy by closely aligning the illustration with the next, helping young readers to decode the understanding the stories. The partnership between Jen and Gareth Adamson was a harmonious blend of talents, with each contributing uniquely to the creation of their books, while Jan's illustration brought the characters and stories to life. Grath's narrative skill ensured that the stories were engaging, the relatable together. They produced over 100 Topsy and Time books, commenting their praise in the annals of children's literature. Beyond the Topsy and Time series, Jane Addamson influence extend to her broader contribution to children's literature and education. Her work has been translated into multiple languages, reaching an international audience and transcending cultural boundaries. The universal themes and experience depicted in her books resonate with children and parents worldwide, making theme timeless classical. In recognition of her contribution to children's literature, Jane Addamson was awarded an MBE, Member of the Order of the British Empire, in 1999.